Hey guys, Jenna here. Welcome to my channel where I take you on tours of tiny homes, alternative homes, and unique vacation rentals. In today's video, we're heading back to Portland, Oregon at Tiny Digs Hotel. We're going to take a tour with the owner, Pam Westra, who's going to show us some of the new tiny homes that they have on the property. If you'd like to see tours of the other tiny homes here at Tiny Digs Hotel, you can check them out in a link in the description. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get a notification every time I post a new video.
Hi, I'm Pam Westra, and I'm the owner of Tiny Digs Hotel here in Portland, Oregon. We started Tiny Digs Hotel in 2016 with 6 houses. Each house is a total different theme and a whole different structure. Tiny Digs Hotel is a family business. We opened Tiny Digs Hotel with my husband, son, and I. After we got about 8 houses built, our son moved back to Michigan. That's our home state. And so Bruce and I continued with the dream. Now we have the tiny houses, up to 12 tiny houses here at Tiny Digs. We get a lot of repeat customers at Tiny Digs because people want to come and experience each one of the different themes. We're in a great neighborhood. We have over 50 restaurants and brew pubs within a 1 to 10 minute walk of the hotel. They're just mom and pop, family owned kind of restaurants. It's really a fun neighborhood. This is a really convenient little house here. Nice little hallway for entering out of the rain. It has the toilet and sink area on one side and the shower here on the other side. This shower area is really nice and large. It's big enough for 2 people in here. And it has atomizing shower head on it to save on water use. And it's almost like a mist coming out of the shower head. So on this side we have the commode and little tiny sink here. Now we'll go into the main living area of the Zen house. This house is very compact. It was built as a road traveling house for somebody to go down the road that was, traveling lots of miles. So it's only 8 foot wide, has no loft. That was so that the height wasn't so high and gave it a lot of wind resistance for traveling. It has a little Zen garden out back. We took advantage of the placement of this house. Since this beautiful window is here, we wanted it to look out over some of the greenery that's all around Tiny Digs. Some nice plants are out there, a lot of nice greenery. So it is a real Zen area. The lampshades were actually just candle holders, and we converted them to light shades for these lights in here. And we wanted to do more of a Zen theme to it, so we incorporated those into this house. The little kitchen here has a Dometic refrigerator. We have a little induction heat plate to make your coffee or warm up some food. Great big deep sink in this for washing your dishes or cleaning some vegetables. And then on this side of the house is a really nice desk area. You can sit over here and eat, or if you're here in town on business, We have high-speed internet here. You can definitely get Wi-Fi in here and do your work at this desk area. So when you come to Tiny Digs, this is our smallest house on site. This is definitely just for 1 to 2 people, but the expectations have to be, you're going to be cozy in here. Even the bathrooms don't have a solid door. They just have shower curtains to pull across. So it is a cozy, nice little house, and we have a lot of couples that come in here and they just love it. You might recognize this house. We changed the name to Boho just recently and gave it a little makeover inside, so I want to share that with you. Come on in. So this is the Boho house here at Tiny Digs. As you can see, it is a main floor sleeping area. Again, no loft in this house. That's why a lot of people love it. This is raised this high because back in the back corner here is the hot water heater underneath this area. One of the other features of this house is that it's a pet-friendly house here at Tiny Digs. 2 of our houses, the barn and this house, are pet-friendly. And so you just let us know when you make your reservation you want to bring your furry friend along, and we'll get it set up for your furry friend and you. There might be 3 people in the party, and they ask us if we have a house that will sleep 3, and so we put a twin bed in here too. We opened this up. It used to be solid across here. We opened it up so this bed could kind of slide under there. Yeah, it's a cozy area, like a lounge area too, to sit on. You can put some luggage down here, and you can pull the bed out to sleep a 3rd person in here if you'd like. The curtains in this room, the ones over the bed and the window curtains, those are all recycled saris from India. I got individual saris to tailor them to our needs here, but these were ordered right from Etsy, and you can get numerous different kinds of them and colors, and they're just beautiful, and they just bring in that little boho flair. Over here we have one of my faves, the drop leaf table. This house is no exception. This has a drop leaf. We scored and found this little table at an antique store in town called Stars. They have a lot of cool antiques. When we're looking for things, we go there. Of course, we had to have a lava lamp in here, and it's going to town today. It's just fun. So over here in the sink area, this sink was tailor-made for this house. Our houses are very compact here at Tiny Digs, and so to be able to pass the door, this sink was actually specially designed for this area, I say. And then over the top of it, this beautiful mirror. These are made in Mexico. This was from a local shop here in town, and I fell in love with it when I saw it. This used to be all just blank wood like this that had been varnished, but we've been open for 5 years now. This month is our 5th year anniversary here at Tiny Digs. So this house was needing a little makeover, so we painted all this wood the green color to liven it up and make it a little bit brighter in here. It's tucked in the back corner of our lot with a lot of greenery and vegetation around it. It doesn't get a lot of sunlight, and so we wanted to brighten it up in here. So this green certainly brightened it up a little bit. In here's the bathroom. Again, Tiny Dig style. We have a shower and a flush toilet. Every one of our houses have a shower and a flush toilet in them, and this one's no exception. It's got the shower head and a handheld sprayer for it. In our houses, we try and make the ceilings in the downstairs at least 7 foot tall for those tall people to be able to enjoy a shower. And this one is even taller. I think this one's at least 8 foot high in this house.
Thanks for watching this week's video. I will see you soon with another tiny house or alternative lifestyle video.